Let's see. And it's number 6. Judge number 6, please.
Good evening, candidate number 8. You look so pretty tonight. We know what is your view on violence being very phenomenal here in our beloved town of Riot. And should you be crowned Israel, how would you open peace here in our town?
Alright, thank you so much for that wonderful question, Nanay. Okay, as a beauty queen, actually, for me, as a beauty queen is not just represented by the beauty outside. It is also represented a woman with a personality, represented blessing, happiness on every people around her. So I will consider peace, or I will perform peace, share peace to everyone by being a role model. As a nurse, I am actually a registered nurse, and I can contribute to every Arayat people to have a peace. Thank you.
Candidate number 10.
Hello, candidate number 10. You please pick a number. Do you have the microphone? Number 4. Judge number 4, please.
Good evening. Yung tanong ko Tagalog. Palagay mo ba panahon na upang payagan ng same-sex marriage? At bakit?
Maraming salamat po sa inyong magandang katawan. Para sa akin, hindi pa po natin kailangan ng same-sex marriage sa ngayon. Dahil naniniwala ako sa sinasabi ng Biblia na ang lalaki ay itinapat sa babae at hindi itinapat sa kapwa lalaki. Maaari na magsama ang parehong lalaki, mamuhay ng maligaya, ngunit huwag natin labanin ang batas na ginawa ng ating Panginoon. That's all. Thank you. Hello? Hi. Is a number? Number 5. Judge number 5, please.
Hi, Miss Candidate 11. You can answer this question. I'm gonna speak in Tagalog and in English so that you can choose which language you would like to answer. It is said that the reproductive health bill has the potential to help the country out of the ropes of poverty. As a young woman who would presumably become a mother one day, what is your own stand on the RH bill and why? Tatagalugin ko, sinasabi na ang reproductive health bill ay makakatulong sa pag-ahon ng ating bansa mula sa kahirapan. Bilang isang babae na maaaring maging isa balang araw, ano ang iyong paniniwala sa RH bill at bakit?
In your past-paced generation, technology can even allow help to man when it comes to advancement. And one way of this advancement is through medicine. And one branch of medicine is by making these contraceptives, which lead the government to build the RH bill, or the reproductive health bill. And as a woman of God, as a youth Catholic Filipino, I am not in favor of the RH bill. Yes, they can prevent men and women from having reproductive
Bachelor of Science in Computer Science in STI College San Fernando. She became Miss STI College San Fernando 2008 and became Binibini Araya Tourism 2008 and Binibini Araya First Runner-Up 2010. She started working as customer service representative in NCO Choir Philippines for 3 months and became a workforce lead up until now with the same company. Leslie had a lot of wonderful experiences about life, so many struggles and many successes, memorable moments that she wants to share, but this night is not enough to tackle all of them. Tonight is considered as her final walk on the stage, bearing her title as Binibini Araya First Runner-Up. But before she leaves and say a farewell, let her leave the next beauty queen of East Town some important lessons that she learned personally. First, don't forget God. No matter what happens, He is always there to guide you through your success and bad times in your life. Any happenings in your life are what He really planned, and you should be thankful for it. Never blame Him because you owe your existence here from earth. Second, love and respect your parents. Parents can never be replaced. Again, Binibini Araya First Runner-Up 2010, Miss Leslie Luz ng Palakal. Next is Binibini Sinuan, Fairlane Navarro Chacoco. Fairlane is now a third-year college student taking up tourism management at Anna's University. Beauty and brave as we describe her, she participated in different beauty contests. She was crowned Miss College Valley 2006, winning some major awards like Best in Ball Gown, Casual Wear, Sportswear, Best in Talent, and Best in Rap. Moreover, she was also crowned as Miss St. Mary's Angel College of Pampanga 2008, in which she bagged also major awards like Best in Long Gown and Best in Sportswear. She also won Miss ISM, or the East Zone Athletic Meet East Zone Athletic and Academic Meet in 2009, and Miss Valley Beautiful in the same contest. She became Mutchani Araya Chincoa in 2010, and she won in Best Talent, Best in Casual Wear, Miss Photogenic, and People's Choice Award. She was Mr. Richie Boy's prestigious model in AFCA 2010, held at Trade Center Manila, participated by different Asian countries like China, Korea, Taiwan, Japan, and Thailand. Fortunately, Fairlane emerged 7th place with around 106 level. More so,
Thank you very much, ladies.
Ladies and gentlemen, well said. Thank you for so we're about to end.
Yes.
So we are now on this final part, the announcement of winners. Wow, after 2 months, ito na yun.
So I have here the envelope of the final result. Beginning Araya 2012.
So our presenter, for Binibining Araya for runner-up, may we call on Mr. Jude Santos, Mrs. Vicky Santos, and Mr. Homer Kilantang to present the award. Our Binibining Araya third runner-up is candidate number 5. Sorry for the accident. Our assistance of this cake is quite annoying. So we verify before we announce. Okay. So that's it now. We move down to the alright. So we move now to the Binibining Araya Tourism.
Present the award for Binibining Araya Tourism, may we call on Board Member Molina Lacruz, Dr. Sheena P. Samson, and Board Member Trina Dizon.
Yes.
We call on Ms. Pines Alejandrino and Zach Guevara to present the award for Binibining Araya Tourism.
So we have here with us the chairman of the official public report. So we will do the same mistake. So we have Binibining Araya Tourism on my correct hand. We have candidate number 7.
Number 7, Ms. Maria Cuevas.
some history tonight. The child inside is wild. Let's make this moment come to life. The time is on our side. Don't know what's up ahead, it's only high and low. Picture it in your head, nothing's impossible. We're gonna make it now, we're gonna leave our mark. Let's take a shot in the dark. Ready, set, go for gold. Chasing every heartbeat, we can feel it starting. Ready, set, go for gold. Chase it till we own it, living in the moment. Ready, set, go for gold tonight. Ready, set, go for gold tonight. Even if we fall and make mistakes, we live, we learn, we change. Gotta keep on going every day, and it will be worth the wait. Don't know what's up ahead, it's only high and low. Picture it in your head, nothing's impossible.